Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by wiring the essentials. Plug the Xbox Series X HDMI out into the Elgato HDMI in, then route the Elgato HDMI out to your TV or monitor so you maintain pass-through. Once done, connect the Elgato via USB-C to a USB 3.0 port on your PC. This gives the capture card bandwidth and power. Make sure the Xbox is powered and set to 4K/60 pass-through only if needed. This keeps latency low and allows the Elgato to handle capture properly. You now configure software. Install Elgato Game Capture or Open OBS and add the Elgato device as a video source, because the software tells your PC to record or stream. Next, set resolution and frame rate. Choose 1080p 60 for smooth performance or 4K 30 if your card and PC support it. Make sure audio capture is enabled for HDMI input, otherwise you get video without game sound. Also check that Elgato is selected as both video and desktop audio to sync gameplay, and you finish by recording a short test clip or starting a private stream to confirm everything works. Watch for a /v sync and dropped frames, because early tests catch issues quickly. If you see drops, lower bitrate or switch encoder to NVENC if you have an NVIDIA GPU, which reduces CPU load, otherwise lower resolution. If there is no signal, check the HDMI chain and ensure Xbox HDCP is disabled for capture. Confirm the USB connection and reboot the capture card or console to clear handshake errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.